Let's start with the tax plan, because you just wrote a piece where you say it is definitely going to boost growth. You say there's going to be more investment. The tax cuts for individuals will put more money in people's pockets. So it just, there again, some people say no, it's just going to create a bigger deficit. Why don't you agree?
It will increase deficit spending in the near term, but think about it as some true corporate tax reforms that encourage businesses to invest more, increases profits. Some of that will lead to business expansion, more employment, more wages. Then think about the deficit spending part of it, which will put more money into people's pockets. They will spend it. So increase domestic spending, and it'll increase production. So Kathleen, I don't care what model you use. It points to stronger growth. I think the biggest question is, will the growth be sustained? And I think the package, when I look at it carefully, it will boost sustainable growth moderately.
Okay, well, but I think this is one of the most simple questions, and we've been asking everybody. If corporations are already rolling in cash, and many of them are, they're not holding back on investment because they don't have the wherewithal. Maybe they don't need to. Maybe they're uncertain. Also, many executives at big companies, including Coca-Cola, on their earnings call a couple of weeks ago said, yes, we're looking forward to the tax cut so we can buy back stock and boost dividends. That's not going to boost investment. That doesn't mean more wages. That doesn't mean you're hiring more workers. Where does the growth come from?
Well, the National Federation of Independent Businesses, which includes millions of small businesses, about 2/3 in the latest survey said they will increase capital spending as a consequence of the tax reform package. Just about half said in response to the tax reform, it will add jobs. So let's see what happens. I think it's a key point here that there's already significant momentum in the economy, and particularly we see not just consumer, but business confidence is extraordinarily high, reflecting some of the deregulations that are taking place. Now, let's see what happens, but it's going to boost real growth. And then once it happens, nobody's going to know in the near term how much of it's sustainable.